Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to fix St. Augustine Decline. This particular lawn has St. Augustine Decline. So what you're going to do is you're going to replace or plug in some resistant variety of St. Augustine Decline like Raleigh. So actually we're out here dethatching this today. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to rake out some of this debris. Just enough for me to do this example. Now I'm going to take my piece of sod and I'm going to lay it over the part that I'm going to replace. I need to remove some level of dirt so it's level with the other part. So what I'm doing now is I'm just outlining this piece of sod so where it's going to go. If you have a bigger job, of course, you can use a sod cutter. And if I was in the landscaping business and I was replacing big sections, I would use a sod cutter. Looks like I've removed about an inch and a half to 2 inches of soil. Now this yard is, or this piece of sod is going to get top dressed with peat moss with the rest of it and then watered in. And this is how you take care of St. Augustine Decline. All right, here we go. To show that we peat mossed over that one piece of sod that I put out, and that one piece of sod is right here. So stay tuned to the channel, please subscribe.